Okay, hello guys.
Hello. Hey.
We going mate?
Today,
Yeah. Okay, we going
we're
mate?
gonna do a big hammers. Like they're going to be bigger. And oh my gosh, I just fly to China. Look, and just let me have a little fly.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
and we have an extra challenge. You can't touch green. Yeah, to make it harder to get color item. So yeah, and subscribe. Oh, I'm going
Wait,
to
bro. I just have a question. How do we gonna carry all this if it's 1 feet in a bag? Fits in a bag?
just grab one.
No. I guess we have to. We have to take some. Yeah. I guess
Why?
in the end.
Just fly.
Shut my mouth. Wee.
You make me angry? I'll make you die.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, yeah, so we started. Bro, wait! Bro, orange! Orange teamy! Let's go! Are we wasting our time? Because you're flying.
What am I flying?
Oh, be careful, bro! Don't touch. Be careful, orange teamy. Don't touch the grass. Oh yeah. Orange teamy, where are you? Oh yeah. We got some over things. Relax. Bro, where are you? Oh, hello. Okay, should we go now?
We can't go there because I remember that we are spawning on green, so let's just go.
Why?
I just checked and we can't go there because there's green, so.
Ah.
Oh my god!
Whee.
This is what. No, this is going to be hard because us has a lot of green.
Nah, this is
Okay.
blue, so we can't touch it.
Oh my god.
It looks like it's green. It looks like blue. I think it's green. Wait, but I'm not touching it. I'm touching my grappler. I'm so smart. I'm not touching green. I'm touching the grappler.
Вроде. Sorry, my grandma said talking. Okay, so
Go up.
let's start it. And here's a cool fact about a hammer. If you're gonna get a hammer, it will push the player if you're gonna hit him, and if you're gonna use it on the ground, you can fly by yourself.
Oh yeah, like
and flying up.
invisible.
But if you're gonna use two hammers,
Ah! Yo guys.
oh my god, dude. Да, бабушка закипела.
Oh, this way.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
No.
There's green everywhere. Oh yeah, I found the key card. I found the key card. Yo, orange teamy! Orange teamy, I found the key card. Let's go.
Okay, just give me a sec. How do I kill it?
Just headshot him by his head. She's head. That's it. Oh yo! Oh my god! I nearly touched that green stuff.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this was so close. Oh my god!
No! Oh my god! I dropped the key card.
Don't worry, twin. I got you.
Wait! Don't touch the grenade because it's green too. Ah!
I got it.
Let's go.
Come up here, cause I have full hands.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh, yo. Okay,
I'm a good boy. Hack 2. I'm a
Get
good boy.
bro! Oh, I found
Sorry.
it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my, there's green. A lot of it.
Oh, yeah. Wait, but I'm actually smart. I'm not touching green. Orange Timmy, I'm not touching the green. I'm touching my grappler.
But that's not fair.
Well, I'm not touching it still. Oh, okay. We have cheat. Yeah! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, you just scared the hell out of me. Oh, not me. I'm not tasty. You're tasty. Like eat you every day. You got some butt.
Finally. Oh my god. Dude, that was like so creepy.
Yo!
Nice.
I'm lucky. Low key, I have a good one.
No, this is not the one.
Oh, I know.
Why did that?
But if we fail to touch green, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the rules. If you touch green, we have 3 hearts. If you touch green one time, we have 2 hearts left. So yeah, so first, let me put the egg and the keycard. Please, I'm begging. Bye! Orange guy, orange Timmy.
Yep.
But how we gonna get all of those
I'm
hammers?
lucky. Dude, I was on an Evan bro got it and I got like so much of good stuff. So
Because the
got
Jando gave me those stuff on the show. What? Because Cam, bro.
Oh no, I just lost this hammer. I don't know. It's
Oh
not
my
mine.
God,
I
we
don't have
just-
a crystal, so.
Oh yo! Oh my god.
Oh my shoot. Oh my god. No.
I never give up. We're gonna get a new stuff. We're gonna get a new keycard, and we're gonna get a new stuff to do. Let's go.
What's not gonna do it with the?
Should we just find a different keycard?
Blab.
Ah. Yes. I'm jumping. Where is it? Where is it? Oh no, I'm cooked. Nah, I'm cooked. No! I died. I lost my stuff. But I have a lot of fresh stuff. But maybe if we failed, I don't know. On the one like, I'm gonna make a giveaway. A PvP and Troll Kid. for just the one like. So please like this video. I have 0 likes. I'm poor as hell. Please get 1 like. Oh yeah, I think my friend died. Let me check out this stuff. So I'm going to check out new stuff. The hammer. They added new hammer. I got stuff, but the rare stuff is this. A small one. You can't get it anymore. Oh yeah, so I don't have any time. So I make. So yeah, guys. Bye.